Tracie Dillon, your local Houston real estate professional. Today, we will be discussing 7 tips to prepare your house for sale. Every seller wants their home to sell quickly for a large profit, but it takes more than luck to make this happen. It involves careful planning and knowing how to professionally prepare your home to convince buyers to pull out their checkbooks. 1. Scrutinize curb appeal. The exterior of the home is the first thing that buyers see. As the agent is unlocking the door, buyers have already made a decision about your home. Make the exterior of the home more appealing by painting the door, adding a door wreath, and hiring a landscaper to clean up your lawn. 2. Depersonalize your house. Pack up your personal photos, family heirlooms, and other objects that might distract potential buyers. You want others to be able to imagine themselves in your home. 3. Declutter. Consider this process an efficient start to your packing. You want to ensure that the best features of your home are highlighted. Leave just enough furniture to showcase the room's purpose, with plenty of room for buyers to move around. 4. Organize bedroom closets and storage cabinets. Buyers will be curious about storage space and will want to check closets and cabinets. It's important to show as much space as possible, as well as to show organization. 5. Remove or replace favorite items. You plan on taking certain items with you, such as drapes or chandelier. Remove them prior to showing the home. Telling a buyer they can't have an item that appears to enhance the home can hurt the sale. 6. Make minor repairs. In a seller's market, you can sell a home in lived-in condition without much complaint. But in a buyer's market, repairs can make or break a sale. Deferred maintenance that is critical to the safety and structure of the home is critical in obtaining top dollar for your house. 7. Make the house sparkle. Kitchens and bathrooms are one of the most important selling points of a home and easily serve as a barometer on how clean the rest of the house is. Make your kitchen and bathroom as spotless and uncluttered as possible. Implementing these 7 steps as you prepare to sell your home will be sure to get you top dollar for your house. Until next time, let's get busy cleaning.